in this video we're covering the product rule. So the product rule is a method for differentiating the product of two functions. So we have two functions and they're being multiplied together. We use the product rule. So its formula is dy over dx equals the function v times du over dx plus the function u times dv over dx. So if I draw this up, we have y equals u times v. So in our case, my u is going to be 3x and my v is going to be 5, I don't need brackets, 5x plus 7. So we're going to differentiate these. So du over dx equals 3, dv over dx equals 5. All right. So this is where it's always good to rewrite your formula now. So dy over dx is going to equal v times du over dx plus u times dv over dx. So we can do substitute all these in. So over here we end up with 5x plus 7. Make sure you put it in brackets because that is the whole v. Times 3. And we have 3x over here times 5. So we can expand these brackets out here by timesing everything by 3. So you end up with 15x plus 21 plus 3x, plus 15x. And now we can add any like terms together. So with the 15x and the 15x, so we end up with 30x plus 21 is our differentiation. So pretty straightforward. Make your u, make your v, differentiate both, and then use your formula. So here's another one we're going to do. Differentiate this version. So the reason I picked this one to show you is because it does involve having to use the chain rule over here to differentiate that part. So my u is going to be x plus 1, and then my v is going to be 2x plus 5 to the power of 4. All right, so du over dx ends up being 1 because the x just turns into 1. And over here, dv over dx. Now I'm going to do the shortcut way here. So that remember the shortcut way is that the 4 comes out the front. So I end up with 4. And we're going to multiply it by the differentiation of what's in the bracket. So we're going to differentiate 2x plus 5, which is 2. So we're going to times that by 2. I rewrite my brackets. And it's now to the power of 4 minus 1, which is 3. So this ends up being 8 bracket 2x plus 5 to the power of 3. Now remember, if you wanted to over here, you could use your dy over dx equals dy over du times du over dx. If you wanted to use that way, that more traditional style of differentiating using the chain rule, feel free. I just found this a little bit quicker to do. All right, so once we've done that, we can use our formula, which remember was dy over dx equals u times dv over dx plus v times du over dx. So we end up with x plus 1 times my 8, 2x plus 2x plus 5 to the power of 4 times 1. So we can start to do our simplifications here. So in this case, I'm just going to rewrite this front one as x plus 1, 2x plus 5 cubed plus 2x plus 5 to the power of 4. You don't need to expand that all out. That is it's quite okay to leave it as that.